Wireless Pyodynamic Detector ZBL-P8000 are designed to test the integrity of concrete pile and identify the location and range of pile defects according to reflected wave transmission rules. The instrument consists of a host, Huawei tablet, hammers, and other accessories. Data acquisition circuit, ICP acceleration sensor, and power management circuit, etc. are all enclosed into the dynamic detector host. The hexagonal metal part at the bottom of the host is ICP acceleration sensor. This red button is the power switch. Charging indicator is just above the power switch. It is red when charging and it turns green when host's electricity is full. Above the charging indicator is working indicator. If working indicator is red, it means the host is in low power condition. And if the working indicator is green, the host can work normally. And if the working indicator flash red and green, it means the host is pairing with the pad. Open the protective cover, you can see the charging part. You'd better cover it when not in use so as to protect the host. Our specialized software is installed in the pad with Android system, and the software can transfer, analyze, and store the test data received by the host. Hammer. We use hammer to strike the top of pile to produce stress wave. We provide you several hammers of different weights and materials. The stress wave frequency caused by the striking of aluminum alloy hammer is pretty high, which is suitable to judge the shallow floor of a pile, while the stress wave frequency caused by the striking of a nylon hammer is rather low, which is suitable to judge the pile's deep defects. Besides, you can purchase another force stick as striking device if the pile you test is too long and big. Instructions. We should do some preparations before testing. Clean the pile head. The coupling point of the sensor and the striking point of the hammer must be clean, flat, and hard. So, it is necessary to do something with the pile head before testing. Clean the floating cement and other sundries on the pile head. Coupling agent should be thin but with great viscosity, and this viscosity should not be affected by water. We use butter here. Press power switch to start up the instrument. Turn on the pad and find the application P8000 wireless pyodynamic detector on desktop, and then click and open it. Click the Wi-Fi icon on the upper right corner can enter the network setting interface. Manually select the network to connect and input right password. After a successful connection, the Wi-Fi icon stopped flashing. Battery level is displayed. Parameter settings. Click Pile parameter button. You can set a project name, pile number, pile length, wave speed, pile shape, pile diameter, and pile type according to the project's real information. Click Sampling parameter button. Sampling interval refers to the time interval between every two sampling signals. You can select one of the 9 intervals. The value can be set or not, but pile length and velocity must be set before sampling so that it will automatically calculate the sampling interval value. Sampling length refers to the quantity of signal sampling points, and you have two choices, 1024 and 2048. Generally, 1024 can meet your requirements. Blue number refers to the total number waveform that every channel to select. There are multi-options. Minimum is 1, maximum is 12. Gain refers to the amplification factor of signal which is received by sensor. Generally, gain value should be adjusted according to pile length, condition for pile head surface, and striking equipment, hammer, etc. When the signal is weak, you can turn up the gain value. When the signal is strong, you'd better turn down the gain value. Trigger level refers to the signal level collected when starting the instrument. There are 3 levels: low, medium, and high. The higher trigger level is, the stronger the signal is required. Generally, you'd better choose low level when the gain value is less than 8, and you'd better choose medium or high level when the gain value is more than 8. Sampling method. There are 2 methods, single collection and continuous collection. Single collection means according to the parameter setting, only one waveform can be collected once. Continuous collection means according to the same parameter set, continuous multiple waveform can be collected until the acquisition be stopped. Overlap. You can choose a number between 1 and 6. If the number is bigger than 1, it is an overlapping sample, which means all the samples collected in the same channel will be added together and then averaged. Acceptance mode. 3 modes are accepted: automatic, manual, and all. In automatic mode, if the strike is too heavy or light, the dynamic detector will automatically abandon the signal while show corresponding message. Only when the percussion is moderate will the collected signal to be a useful one. In manual mode, if the strike is too heavy or light, dynamic detector will give appropriate message and ask whether to return the signal or not. When the all mode be selected, if the strike is too heavy or light, dynamic detector will be given the corresponding message and keep the signal. Equipment parameter shows the basic information of the instrument. Click Display Parameter and it switches to Display Parameter interface. Width refers to the width of a signal channel waveform. The bigger the bandwidth is, the wider the waveform is, with the default as 1. Axis can be length or time, and generally we choose length. Screen refers to the amount of waveform display in every screen. Options are 1, 2, 3, or 4. The number in every panel cannot be bigger than the sampling number. Set restore default parameter. You can choose to recover some parameters. You can set the information of operator from operator interface. After setting all parameters, return to the sampling interface. Pile type.